All right, this is the wading pool when we did this in class. Water's going to be flowing, so one of our nice equations is Q equals, I already made the V too big, velocity times area, that's flow rate. And I believe they gave us, and they did, 2.1 meters per second. And they gave us an area, not really though, right? They hid it in there. Area is pi r squared. The radius is not 2.5 centimeters. We'd have to cut that in half and then move it over to get 0.0125 meters. I'm kind of doing some of this stuff on the fly. You guys should be getting used to this. Once I throw that in the calculator, it's probably small because of that meter stuff, right? 1.0 times 10 to the negative third meters. What are we doing here? Meters cubed, yes, over seconds, right? A meters cubed is huge, right? It's emptying one of those big tubs I keep trying to model in 1 second. So it's a small amount of water. That's why it's 1 times 10 to the negative 3. All right, moving right along, we have meters cubed over seconds. We probably need to get that to liters. Why? Because this silly question is in liters. So I'm just going to play their silly game. Whoops. And go 1.0 times 10 to the negative third meters cubed over 1 second, right? And I'm going to get rid of that meters cubed. And you have to know, or I can tell you, that there is 1,000 liters in 1 meter cubed. But by meter cubed. And now we're looking at 1.03 liters per second. Makes a little bit more sense. Now we have 6,000 liters of water that we need, that's going to be emptied in a liter per second. And if you know anything about units, that's a liter, believe it or not. Once I take this and throw it through a division bar, I'd have seconds over liters, but by seconds. So after I do that division, I believe I get about 5,820.5 seconds, since we just canceled out those liters, yes? Let's divide that 60 seconds out of there to get minutes. Okay, I'll do it the right way. Seconds. So then you take 5,820.5 seconds. The number you don't like goes over 1. And let's start canceling units. There's 60 seconds in 1 minute. So I'm basically dividing that out by 60, and I get about 97 minutes. Woo woo, woo woo.